Okay, so now we are doing, we are integrating x cube e raised to power x square dx by tabular form, by the method of tabular form. So here, this is u and its derivative, here dv and its integral. So x cube is taken as derivative because its derivative will become 0, reducing, and its derivatives cannot be reduced, therefore it will be taken as integral. Okay, now the derivative of 3x square will be 6x, and its derivative will be equal to e raised to power x square upon 2x, and then again 2x, and again its derivative will be 6, and its derivative e raised to power x square upon, this is 4x square into 2x, its derivative will become 0, e raised to power x square upon 8x cube into 2x, and again its derivative will become e raised to power the 0. Here the 0 derivative of 0 will be 0. E raised to power x square upon 16x4 into 2x. That will multiply with this one, that is multiplied 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 with this one. 0 into this will be 0. Finish. This derivative will be equal to, that will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So x cube, the first one, these are multiplied, x cube into e raised to power x square upon 2x, then minus 3x square into e raised to power x square upon this one 4x square, then plus 6x into e raised to power x square upon 8x cube, then plus, sorry, then minus, that was plus 6x was plus, this is minus 6 into this one 6 e raised to power x square upon 16x4, then plus 0 into this one, after 6 into this one will be 0 into this one will be 0. Finish. And then some cos. X cube into this one, x cube into e raised to power x square upon 2x. Then minus 3x square into e raised to power x square upon 4x square. Then plus 6x into e raised to power x square upon 8x cube. Then minus 6 into e raised to power x square upon 16x4. Then plus 0 into this one will be 0. And at the end is constant. To simplify this one, 1 is cancelled. So 1 over 2x square e raised to power x square minus x square is cancelled. 3 upon 4 e raised to power x square. This is 1x is cancelled. 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 x square into e raised to power x square minus 3 upon 8. X4 e raised to power x raised to power 2 plus some constant. This is the answer. So that answer is also a lengthy answer. So this is the way we will solve this question. Understood? Here we did with the tabular form. This is the tabular form. U and its derivative, dv and its integrals. So one is considered as dv, one is considered as u. What is considered as u, we will take the derivative. So x cube is considered as u, so its derivative are becoming, they are going to decrease, and at the end it will become 0. After the first, second, third, the fourth derivative will become 0. The first derivative 3x square, the second derivative 6x, the third derivative 6, fourth derivative will become 0. So this is the way how to solve the Muhammad Zishan Said. Okay. Now we do another question. Question number 7. Question number 7. X square y dash plus xy equal to 1. Such type of questions can be done if you remember the formula of integration. If you remember them, then you can solve this question, because here only the integration is there. If you know the formula of integration and differentiation, then you can do this exercise very easily. You may do this topic very easily. You will understand very easily. If you don't know the formula, so that will be very difficult for you. Okay, question number 7. X squared y dash plus xy equal to 1. Y dash is dy upon dx. Now divide by x square. If we divide by x square, it will become 1. If we divide this one, this also. divided by x square, divided by x square, divided by x square, so that the coefficient of dy upon dx will become 1. To convert into the standard form, this is cancelled, 1x is cancelled. This is dy upon dx plus 1 upon xy equal to 1 over x square. Now we'll find the integrating factor. Yes, Kavi Kamal, do you want to say anything? Integrating factor, e raised to power integral 1 over x dx. It will become e raised to power ln x. 1 over x, integral of 1 over x will be ln x. So ln and d are cancelled. It will become x only. ln and d are cancel out. The x is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is x. So we will multiply the whole equation by x. It will become x dy upon dx plus x into 1 over xy is equal to x into 1 over x square. So after after multiplying by the integrating factor, we will take the whole derivative. This is the derivative of integrating factor into y. Integrating factor into y. And this is 1 over x. This is 1 over x. Multiply by dx. 1 over x dx. 1 over x dx. Integrating integrating derivative of xy integrating 1 over x dx. Both the sides will put the integration. This is derivative integration and derivative cancel xy, and the integration of 1 over x will be ln x. Here also the integration of 1 over x is equal to this one ln x. Here also integration of 1 over x ln x. So therefore plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. Xy is equal to ln x plus c. Or you may find y is equal to x will be shifted on the other side. Or this is the answer. That was question number 7. Now we will do question number 9. Question number 9. Have you understood this question? Have you understood this question? Yes, Alina. Yes, Alina. Do you want to ask anything? Alina, do you want to ask anything? No? Okay. Now we'll do the next question is question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. X dy upon dx minus y is equal to x square sin x. X dy upon dx minus y is equal to x square sin x. First of all, we will change into the standard form. What is the standard form? There should be no y terms, no term involving y over there on the right side. Already there is no term involving y. The next one, there should be the coefficient of dy upon dx should be equal to 1. Here is x. So we will divide by x. When we will divide by x, it will become dy upon dx 1 over xy it is divided by x, it will become x sine x. 1x will be cancelled when we will divide by x, it will become dy upon dx. When we divide by x, 1 over x dy. When we divide by x, so x square upon x will be x sine x. X square sine x. Now we will find the integrating factor. E raised to power integral of coefficient of y is minus 1 over x dx minus 1 over x dx. So integration of this one, e raised to power minus the integration of 1 over x will be ln x. Minus is outside. Integration of 1 over x will be ln x. This is minus 1 over x. So minus ln x. So minus will go there. It will become e raised to power ln x raised to power minus 1. So ln and e are cancelled. It will become x raised to power minus 1. And that means 1 over x. That means 1 over x. So integrating factor is 1 over x. We multiply the whole equation by 1 over x. It will become 1 over x dy upon dx minus 1 over x into 1 over x, 1 over x square y. 1 over x into x will be sine x only. So that is whole derivative of integrating factor into y. Whatever be this one, don't worry about that one. You have to take only integrating factor into y. The whole derivative of 1 over x into integrating factor into y. So it will become sine x. Multiplied by dx. Integrate it. Integrating both the sides. It will become derivative cancel 1 over xy is equal to the integration of sine x is minus cos x plus c. This is the final answer. You may multiply by x both the sides, so y will become, you may change it. If you multiply by x this one and this one and this one, so it will become y is equal to minus x cos x plus cx. You may write this one as well. Otherwise, this is also the correct answer. That was question number 9. Anything do you want to ask in this question? No? Okay. Question number 11. Understood this one? Question number 11. X dy upon dx plus 4y is equal to x cube minus x. X dy upon dx plus 4y is equal to x cube minus x. X dy upon dx question number 11. X dy upon dx plus 4y is equal to x cube minus x. First of all, we will check whether it is the standard linear differential equation or not. From the right side, is there any term involving y? No. So that is standard. Now we will check this one. The first term. Is there any coefficient other than 1? Yes. The coefficient is x other than 1. So we will divide by x so that it will become 1. Dividing by x. It will become dy upon dx plus 4 upon x y. If we divide by this one x, it will become x square. It is minus 1. If we divide by x, it will become dy upon dx. It will become 4 upon x y. It will become x square. It will become 1. Now we will find the integrating factor. Remember that integrating factor will be found. First of all, you will convert into the standard form. So what is the standard form? The dy upon dx must have the coefficient 1 only, not other than 1. And on the right side, there should be no term involving y. There should be no term involving y. Okay, now we'll find the integrating factor. It will become e raised to power integral the coefficient of y. Four upon x. The coefficient of y, 4 upon x. It will become 4 is constant. Integral of 1 over x dx. 4 is outside. Integral of 1 over x ln x. Four will be shifted on x raised to power. It will become e raised to power ln x raised to power 4. ln and e are cancelled, so it will become x4. It will become x raised to power 4. Now we multiply by x raised to power 4, this one, and this one. This equation, it will become x raised to power 4 dy upon dx plus it will become 4 upon 4x cube. X is cancelled. 4x cube into y. It will become x raised to power 6 minus x raised to power 4. It is multiplied by x raised to power 4. It will become x raised to power 4 dy upon dx. It is multiplied by x raised to power 4. So 1x is cancelled, x raised to power 3 is will be there. So 4x raised to power 3 y. It is multiplied by x raised to power 4, it will become x raised to power 6. It is multiplied by x raised to power 4, it will become x raised to power 4. 1 into x raised to power 4 will be x raised to power 4. Now it will become derivative with respect to x of integrating factor into y, and that remain as it is, multiplied by dx the whole, taking the integral integration and the integral and derivative cancel, x raised to power 4y is equal to x raised to power 6 will become x raised to power 7 upon 7, x raised to 4 will become x raised to power 5 upon 5 and plus c. If we divide by x raised to power 4, if we divide by x raised to power 4, it will become y. It will be divided by x raised to power 4, x raised to power 3, 1 over 7, x raised to power 3. This is divided by x raised to power 4, 1 over 5, x. This is divided by x raised to power 4, c, x raised to power minus 4. This is the answer. This is also correct. This is also correct. You may write any one of them. C, x raised to power minus 4. That was question number 11. That was question number 11. Now we will do the next question. Next question is question number 13. We will do question number 13. Understood this question? Have you all understood?